Question 1. Dash is not a nationality. Guess the correct answer. Egyptian, Chinese, Mexican, American. The right answer is American. American is not a nationality.
Question 2. Dash is not a job. Options are Hamlet, painter, singer, writer. Right choice is Hamlet. Hamlet is not a job.
Well done so far. 1807 is dash. Guess the correct answer. 1807, 1807, 1807, 1807. The right answer is 1807. 1807 is 1807. Well done so far. Louis Armstrong dash in jazz clubs. Here are the options. Play, plays, played, is playing.
The right answer is played. Louis Armstrong played in jazz clubs.
Awesome, here is one more. Dash painted sunflowers. Here are the options. Picasso, Van Gogh, Paul McCartney, Mao Zedong. The correct answer is Van Gogh. Van Gogh painted sunflowers. Question 6. When did Gandhi die? Choose an answer. I think, I knows, I don't know, he know.
The right answer is I don't know. When did Gandhi die? I don't know.
Good job so far. I dash in Melbourne. Here are the options. Grow up, grows up, grews up, grew up. The right answer is grew up. I grew up in Melbourne. Question 8. She dash at Leiden University. Choose an answer. Study, studied, studying, studied.
The right answer is studied. She studied at Leiden University.
Question 9. We met when we dash young. Here are the options. Was, when, is, were. The correct answer is were. We met when we were young.
Question 10. He worked at his company 20 years. Pick a right answer. In, for, when, until.
The right answer is for. He worked at his company for 20 years. Question 11. She started writing she was 30. Options are in, for, when, until. The correct answer is when. She started writing when she was 30.
Question 12. I started my business 2013. Pick a right answer. In, for, when, until.
Right choice is in. I started my business in 2013. Question 13. We worked together 1989. Pick a right answer. From, for, when, until. The correct answer is until. We worked together until 1989.
Question 14. She became in 2002. Choose an answer. A picture. President. A baby. To university. The right answer is president. She became president in 2002.
Good job so far. How long at university? Options are he was he, is he?
Right choice is was he. How long was he at university? Question 16. When did she Guess the correct answer. Starting. Started. Start. Starts. Right choice is start. When did she start? Question 17. Where did he dash? Guess the correct answer. Dying. Died. Died. Dies.
Right choice is die. Where did he die?
Question 18. Dash, did you work at the cafe? I was there for 6 months. Choose an answer. When? How long?
The correct answer is how long? How long did you work at the cafe? I was there for 6 months.
Question 19. Dash, did you have your baby? I had her in February 2009. Choose an answer. When? How long?
Correct option is when. When did you have your baby? I had her in February 2009. Question 20. Dash is your brother? Choose an answer. How much? How far? How long? How old? The correct answer is how old? How old is your brother?